Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to delete products in TikTok Shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply open your TikTok Shop Seller Center. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So from here, all you gotta do is simply on the left hand side of the corner, you can find the option called Manage Products. Simply click on that icon, and once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find your products. So simply select the product that you want to delete. Once you have selected it, you can find the delete option right over there. So once you click on it, you will be able to get this kind of interface on your screen. So simply hit the confirm option. Once you hit the confirm option, your product will be deleted from your TikTok shop. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and upcoming videos.